Alright, YouTubers, welcome back. My name's Dave, like always, and you found do it yourself, do it right. Well, got my Savannah Harley Davidson t-shirt on today. Got old Black Betty out of the garage. It's a fairly nice day finally here in New York. It's a little chilly, but nothing my leather jacket can't handle, and gloves, because I'm still used to the southern riding scene. So today I am going to do episode number 2 of Harley Davidson dealership evaluation, review, opinion, whatever you like to call it. I'm back here in New York, and I'm gonna ride over to Adirondack Harley Davidson. It's literally only about 8 miles away. And I'm gonna walk through for the very first time. I haven't even been over there yet. I've been up here for months now, and I still haven't went to the dealership. Just gonna check it out. Gonna walk through, let you guys see it. Maybe do a better job than the Longhorn Harley Davidson. That was kind of on a whim. So I think I planned this one out maybe just a tidbit better. So I'm gonna set you guys up on the bike. Gonna let you ride with me. I don't do the whole vlogging video riding thing. Like, I'm not gonna talk. I don't have a helmet with all that craziness. That's not me. Just gonna set you up on the crash bar and let you see the countryside that I get to ride through nowadays. So gonna do that, and then we'll walk through the Harley Davidson dealership. Adirondack Harley Davidson, I should add. Alright guys, so I'm out here in front of the dealership. As you can see, it's fairly new, fairly nice. Gonna walk inside. I got permission to film. I figured I might as well ask. They got some pretty cool race bikes in here that I haven't seen before. But just gonna walk through. I'll let you guys look, see what you guys think, and then I'll do my my review afterwards. So let's go inside.
Because I'm just not 100% if it's just going to be the cruise control or if there's more than one piece. You know what I mean?
Oh, we got a bunch of mirrors. Demo seats. Let's see, knows before.
Sold out. What are they all sold out? What is not sold out?
Lots of parts. Oh, would you look at that? Demo windshields. I didn't know they did that. Lots of clothes, ladies section.
They should put sold out, sold out. So you don't go in there.
Bunch of clothes. Oscar Mike Foundation. Another habit. My shirts.
Oh, these are just to give you some air. You really like this.
Similar to the one here. Similar to that one here. Like a hood.
The one that I have is more like that.
Yeah. Oh, look at the John Ross decal.
I did, I don't know if you
40
know.
bucks?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Nope.
29.
That one that.
Alright, I think I'm gonna get it.
Oh, fitted. Come on.
No, no, sit up.
Just what I need, some gloves. Oh, I really like that blue. Man, that's nice. That's so crazy. Best in show. These are the same legs that I got on my Softail. Carlini bars. Oh, nice bars. If I have to burn the seat.
Well, I always wondered if synthetic.
All right, folks. So, as you can tell, back in front of the garage, safe and sound. You know, a little chilly. I definitely know that I'm gonna have to buy some different gloves and wear my boots when I'm riding up here. At least when it's in the 60s, I'm gonna have to wear my boots. But the dealership, as you guys saw, I don't know what your opinion is, but mine is that the dealership is pretty nice on the inside. It's a good size. They have a good selection. I was able to sit and chit chat with one of the service techs and the service manager, and you know, they let me in on some stuff that's happening with the dealership, and apparently it's under new management. They're kind of going through a little transition phase with some folks and getting some new folks in and whatnot, and they're trying to bring the dealership back around from what it was. But I mean, just walking through the dealership, it's nice, it's clean, it's tidy. There was actually a guy there vacuuming, so that's you know, that's good. One of the things that I did notice is that, you know, I walked in, I walked around and around and around, and you know, nobody greeted me. Nobody said hello. Nobody said, hey, can I help you? Not even a salesman, to be honest with you. And those are usually the people that come up to you first. And I always walk around the bikes first to see what they have. Yeah, so nobody really greeted me. I don't know if that's like a northern thing. Now, I am going to say that I can definitely see the differences between a southern dealership and a northern dealership. Obviously, up here, there's a lot of jackets, a lot of gloves. Although this dealership didn't really have too many helmets. I did notice that. So I can see the difference in what the dealerships carry as per, you know, apparel, and also parts. This dealership had a whole bunch of the fairings. Like, all the bikes had the fairings in front of your legs, and you know, I guess I can only attribute that to, you know, temperature. You know, it's warmer on your legs, so people decide to put those fairings on. So that might be something that I need to look into if I'm gonna, you know, ride late into the season or early in the season, you know, keep my legs warm, or just buy some chaps, well, you know, whatever. But I did notice that, you know, they had a good selection of bikes. The guy did say that it's hard for them to get some new bikes, and when the new bikes come in, the new bikes usually go out. They've been selling them pretty good. I asked him about the new Sportster S, and he says, just like everywhere else, you know, as soon as they get them, they're gone. He did show me the new Nightster with the new engine. They have one in the back. I went through the service department to their storage area. He showed me the new Nightster that's going to be for sale. So if you guys are looking for a Nightster with a new engine, Adirondack Harley Davidson, they have one, and they're gonna have it for sale. They also have a Pan America there that they were putting together, and that's also going to be for sale. So, not that I'm trying to be a salesman for them, but you know, if you guys are looking for one, there's one there. So yeah, the bike selection was pretty nice. The clothing, the apparel, all that stuff was nice. They did not have any normal Sportsters. There was no Sportsters whatsoever. And I, you know, I can't really understand it. You know, he didn't really have an answer for that either. But they do motorcycle storage in the wintertime, and that seems like a pretty damn good deal. They store the bike, wash the bike, keep the bike on a, you know, a tender. So for a, you know, a fee, of course, 300 and I think $30, $329 for winter storage if you're in the area next year and you want to store your bike inside, climate controlled. I'm actually thinking about it just to free up some garage space, but we'll see. But all in all, I think the dealership really has some good potential. I'm gonna say, on my scale, a dealership scale, I'm gonna give it, I don't know, maybe a 7, 6.5. Only because there was no designated motorcycle parking out front. That really kind of irks me. But the people inside, once I got to talking with them, you know, I had to break the ice. They were nice and they're very helpful. A couple of them followed me, so that's cool. Well, they followed me on Instagram. But yeah, it's you know, a couple of guys do the whole performance bagger, stunting, wheelies, stuff like that. The stuff that I think is cool to watch, but not do myself. So yeah, they have some of those gatherings there. So in the future, you're gonna see me at that dealership a bunch. It's only 8 miles down the road, and they do have some events coming up. May 19th, I believe they have an event, so I'll be over there for that. And they do a bunch of rides up through the mountains, so you know, I'll be tagging along for those. So yeah, I think you know, this is gonna be my hometown Harley Davidson, I guess you'd say. That's my new home base for Harley Davidson. It's, like I said, it's only 8 miles down the road. So I'm kind of glad that I like it. I like the people, like, well, the 2 people that I spoke with anyways. It's a nice dealership. They got lots of parts. Oh, I think I forgot to talk about the demo windshields. Now, I've been to a bunch of dealerships. I have never seen demo windshields at Harley Davidson. Now, they do the demo seats. You can put the seat on, you know, go ride around, see how your butt feels with these seats. But I've never seen it with windshields, and it's like the smartest idea. You know, you go in there, you slap on a 6-inch windshield, you go out for a ride, the wind smacks you in the face, you go back, you slap on the 9-inch windshield, the wind still hits you in the face, you don't like it, you go slap on the 12-inch, and bam, it's perfect. You know, it's only, I mean, I can't believe no other dealerships do that. It's kind of mind-boggling to me. So that's cool. I'll give them you know, I'll give them a plus up. So yeah, we'll go ahead and give them a 7. Why not? Hopefully I can raise that score once I get to know most of the people there, and that's, you know, gonna take time. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this Harley dealership review episode number 2. There are a couple more dealerships in the area that I am going to go check out. Brunswick Harley Davidson, there's Spitzy's Harley Davidson, and there's Utica. There's Harley Davidson of Utica, which is owned by the same person that owns the Adirondack dealership. So I got those 3 to review, and they'll be coming up throughout the summertime when it's nicer and I can go for a longer ride, and I don't freeze my fingers off because it is kind of chilly. Sun went away, now it's nothing but overcast. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. If you like these videos, you know, give me a thumbs up, you know, like, tag, share, follow, subscribe, hit that notification bell like you guys do at the end of all my videos. And like always, till next time, thanks a lot.